How to add new participants to WhatsApp group. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can add up the new participants in our WhatsApp group. So if you're also wondering, it is a very straightforward and easy process you can follow. First thing first, you can directly head over to your WhatsApp application and look over to the group that you've created. And once you're here, you will be easily finding an option called Add Members if you're admin of that group on your screen. Otherwise, if you can't find it here, you can go ahead and tap on your group name. And once you're here, scroll down and you will be finding this option called Add Members. You can just go ahead and tap on it and select up the people that you want to add, or search for the people and they will be added into this particular group. But if you want to add other people to the group other people have created, what you're going to do is, if that admin has allowed the permission, you can directly add the new participants, just like how you did it in your own group. Otherwise, you need to contact the admin to add another person into that group. So that is it. That is for now. That is the method you can follow up in order to add new participants to your WhatsApp group following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.